Hello, everyone. We're going to look at Micron today, and we're going to continue to talk about practical ways to apply some of the askSlim tools, as well as just cycle analysis in general to our trading. Micron is on our focus list. It's a memory and data storage technology company. And let me see if I can show you the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of Micron. The green dashed cycle bracket on the bottom is SMH. That's the semiconductor ETF. The black cycle bracket is Micron, and the grayed out, very light cycle bracket is the Micron cycle that we had in prior to our revision. Micron peaked, let me see if I can reduce this. Micron peaked back in April, and then it went into this long slump that ended up giving back half the move from the pandemic low over here. Now in this cycle that we're in, we have gone through the 78.6% fib of the prior cycle. We are trying to break out through the prior cycle high, and then heading to the 78.6% fib of this larger move, which is right around $90. If it wanted to keep going after that, then our next stop on the weekly chart would be up at the all-time high at 96.96. Momentum in here is positive, and the slope of the reversal scout is also important to look at, and this one is showing good strength. It has not started to flatten out at all. Switching over to the daily chart, you can see the slump from the high over here in April to the low in October with all these negatively configured cycles, which means that the cycle ends lower than it began. And here in this area, let me zoom in, right in here is where we started to notice things beginning to change. Micron got through these upper resistances and through the 78.6% fib and through the prior cycle high. And if you're watching this chart on the focus list, then you noticed this cycle timing window here from December 2nd to December 10th. Yesterday's candle almost tagged the 38.2% fib retracement, and then today's price action confirmed that low. Check out the momentum situation in here. Even with the general market weakness that we had since Thanksgiving, and even going through its cycle timing window, the slim ribbon and the reversal scalp both stayed green. So when both the weekly and the daily cycles support a bullish hypothesis, then the ideal entry zones for a cycle bottom trade is going to be in the support zone here from the 38.2% fib down to about the 61.8%. But it's also a really good practice not to anticipate a trade, but to let the market prove to you that your analysis is correct. Slim talked about that a little bit if some of you participated in the cycle analysis live event that we did a couple weeks ago. So what that might look like would be to go to an even lower time frame chart. So here's the 2-hour chart. You would wait for the reversal scout and or the slim ribbon to turn green and use that as your entry signal. And that happened earlier today. So if you missed that and you still wanted to enter the trade, then in that kind of a situation, the best thing to do would be to wait for the slim ribbon PO here to come down and give you a momentum continuation signal, which it will if Micron pulls back a bit more or goes sideways for a little while like it's doing now. You could also watch the daily chart for a pullback into these minor supports between 83 and 84.5. We're targeting this 38.2% fib extension at 89.5, which happens to coincide very closely with the major 78.6% fib on the weekly chart. And then if it's stronger than that, the next target is up here around 92. As far as reevaluation levels, it's not unusual to get a retest of the low. And so in this case, that's at $80.53. But if it closed below that, the trade would no longer be valid, and we would kind of go into watching mode and wait to get more information from the market. Micron has earnings coming up on December 20th, but if you wanted to do this as a very short-term trade, or if you're bullish on Micron through earnings, then you could enter this. By the way, if you use the chart stream service, then you can see all of these charts at a glance. I'll show you. Here is Micron on ChartStream. So you have the weekly, the daily, the 2-hour, and the 15-minute charts all on one screen. And here you can actually see the reversal scout on the 15-minute turned negative this afternoon. So when it turns back up, you could even use that as an entry for a near-term trade. That is all that I have. And if you have any questions, put them down below in the Q&A.
Thanks for watching that askSlim special video. Now take a quick peek at our annual askSlim holiday special. Great holiday gifts for traders and investors. Give the gift of askSlim. These are our special rates, in fact the lowest of the year for 3-month memberships, and they are non-recurring. So if you give this gift to somebody, you won't get billed again, and they won't get billed again either. Give the gift to someone you know who loves trading and investing, or give the gift to yourself. It's great for first-time members at askSlim.com to really see what we do. Use this special to try a higher level if you're already an askSlim member, and do that for 3 months. And then we're going to give you a bonus gift. We're going to send you an Amazon gift card that's going to help you pay for part of these memberships that you give to somebody or give to yourself. Let's take a look as we go to the askSlim page in here. And this is the main page, and what I want you to do is to go to the very top, as you can see, that line for our holiday specials, and then click on this little green box, save 30% or more, and that's going to take you to our special holiday page where we have these offers, and you'll be able to see that there are 4 different gift options, and those are for our level 2, 3, 4, and 4+ members, and you can see that we're going to give you back an Amazon gift card depending on which one you take for level 2, level 3, level 4, or level 4+. So if you take level 4, you're going to be able to get a $100 gift card back for that 3-month membership. And then we have the list in here of everything that's included in each of those memberships, just a tremendous amount of content that is both educational and analytical. There's no place you're going to learn more than what we teach with our amazing staff of 4 analysts that teach you all of the time the great things you need to know about trading and investing. So please do go to askSlim.com and take a look at those holiday specials and give that gift of askSlim. Thank you very much for listening.